Mercantilism was an economic system of trade which prevailed during the 17th and the 18th century. According to mercantilists, for a nation to become rich and powerful, a country's exports should exceed its imports. This means that a country should have a favorable balance of trade. Mercantilists measured wealth of a nation by the stock of precious metals. Therefore, the export surplus resulting from exports being greater than imports was settled by an inflow of billions of precious metals, primarily gold and silver. Why did mercantilists lay emphasis on accumulation of precious metals? According to mercantilists, the more gold and silver a nation had, the richer and more powerful it was. Another reason why the mercantilist had the desire for accumulation of precious metals is that with more gold, the rulers of a country could maintain large and better armies. Thus, the improved armies and navies made it possible for them to acquire more colonies. Therefore, with more gold, a country becomes more powerful. We conclude that for a country to become more rich and powerful, mercantilists believe that government should focus on stimulating country's exports and discouraging its imports. They believe that all the nations cannot simultaneously have an export surplus, and one nation could gain only at the expense of other nations. To understand this, let's take an example. If trade takes place between two countries, if one country has surplus, that is, its exports are greater than imports, then the other country obviously has a deficit, that is, its imports are greater than exports. This means that one country gains only at the expense of other country, and this is zero-sum game. For more such videos, do like and subscribe our channel.